gotta be able to hold the cap and climb out at the same time. It's the only possible way it's gonna work. Okay, there you go. Look at you. So talented. Baby, I am the champion, my friend. You got skills, buddy. Look at Mama. Come in. I got mad skills, Mom. Yay! Let me see what you got. Give me the big cheese.